Today I'm going to show you how to make my smoothie. So all you need is what you're doing your smoothie with. So I'm doing apple and Fuji apple and organic, cut and peeled. Blueberries, organic. You can do not organic, but for me. A liquid. I do So Delicious, coconut milk. You can do like almond milk, oat milk, water. You can do whatever you want. You need a cup. You need a lid for the blending. A bowl for the blueberry with a little water in it just to wash them. And a blender. You can do a NutriBullet or a regular blender. So what you do is you get your glass, and then you get your apple, and you can add more fruit or like peanut butter to it. I can't do it right now. And you just eye it and see if that look good or not. I'm going to take some out actually. Okay. And then you get your blueberries. And you wash them. I do like around 6 or to eye it. So our blueberry is washing. And make sure you get all the stem off of the blueberry, because it won't taste good. And then you place them in our smoothie cup. Alright. Set that aside, and then you get our coconut milk or whatever liquid you're doing. You shake it. And then in the glass, you just eye it again. And then you get our cover, get it on there, tight. And then you're doing headphones, turn it down some because the nip part going to be a little loud. Trust me. Keep it on here. You might get all the blueberry and apple, like in fine, but all blend up. You have it. You have an apple, blueberry, coconut smoothie. That is so good. Cheers. Today I'm going to show you what I cook for my dinner sometime. So let's get started. So we have a pot right here, not my steamer, And in my bowl right here, I have a little bit of water. And tonight's dinner will be green beans and Brussels sprouts. So I have a bowl of green beans from my dad's garden. And what I do is I grab a whole bunch. And then I wash them just to get them somewhat rinsed. Oh, cold water. Oh my gosh. Okay. And then put it in the pot. Turn on high. I love green beans. They're so good. I usually steam them and then put a little bit of salt on them. Alright, I think that is good. Okay. Now we have, well, let's just finish the green beans. Alright. Got the green bean there. Now we have Brussels sprouts. So Brussels sprouts from the bag. And I do like, I don't know, 10, depending on their size. And then where I find my Brussels sprout are like Natural Grocer, Whole Food, just places like that. So like so. And what you hear in the refrigerator, so you were wondering what the noise was, is the refrigerator making noises. Okay. Put the water away, and then I'm going to lift you, and here is the Brussels sprout and the green beans. I was going to say zucchini because I usually have zucchini, but not at the time. There's the lid. So on high, and I'm usually, so when it starts to bubble, I will turn it down to medium, and I'm going to set the timer for 13 minutes for right now. And it gets still hard when it starts to boil, then I will turn it down to medium and then do 11 minutes, or just to see. Today I'm going to show you, well, it's actually nighttime now. So nighttime I usually have tea, and I always measure my water into my cup, my K-cup, into the kettle over there. I'll show you down there, kettle. And I'm going to show you what I do for a tea. I'm using my sugar, the beet sugar, and we're using ginger. So what I do, I get a small ginger like this with my peeler. I just get the little ginger out without hurting myself. Maybe I should do. So I do a little bit, darn it. Oh, you can smell the ginger. I do a little bit of ginger. Okay. Got my ginger. And I can show you 2 little dots of my ginger. And then ginger is very powerful, and you add too much, it will be too spicy. So with my spoon, I do 3 spoonfuls of sugar. I know a lot of sugar, but I know my amount. sugar, and you just stir it around. It might be easier like to measure the water what you use into the cup, so when you pour it into the kettle, and then when you do the sugar, it all mixture. So like during the mixture, oh, my water is boiling. Let's see, I go on high and just wait to boil. Like a damn to wait for it. Okay. Before it goes bubbling, I pour it into my glass. Like so. Like so. And then I just stir it around. And then I wait for I wait for a few minutes or an hour or how long it will take because it's super hot right now. And I will probably get sidetracked and then drink it. So I hope you like my tea recipe and see you next time. Bye. Oh, please like, subscribe, hit the bell so you know when I'm posting, and share with our family and friends. And I will see you soon. Bye.